In this video, I will share with you some website that we never talked about on this channel. A website that pays PayPal money for free again and again. This is proven to get results because hundreds of people are using this method. And if you watch this video until the end, I will show you what you must avoid so this will work for you as well. So this is gonna be the main website that we will be using. The website that we never talked about on this channel, but it will actually make you loads of PayPal money. Now before we get to this website and before I reveal you this website, there's one more thing that we need to set up, and that other thing is called Gmail. So I want you to come over to gmail.com and I want you to create a brand new email. Now I guess that 99% of you guys watching this video already have a Gmail account since you have YouTube and you already know how to do it. But if you don't know how to do it, just come over to gmail.com, type in gmail.com, and you want to click here where it says create an account. We will need a brand new email. They will then take you over to this page where you will need to enter your first name, enter your last name, create a unique username for your Gmail account for your email, then create a password and retype the same password and just click next, and they will ask you about your birthday and some basic information, and you will be able to create an account in less than 60 seconds for absolutely free. So go out there and create a brand new Gmail account. Now once you create a brand new email account, I want you to log in into your Gmail account and I want you to click here where it says settings, this gear icon right here. Now basically what we are doing here is we want to set up our own autoresponder, our absolutely free autoresponder, and that's why we are using Gmail. And stay tuned to see exactly how this combined with that particular platform will make you money, and how that trick, that PayPal trick actually works, and how that will actually make you PayPal money on a complete autopilot. So for now, click on the gear icon and click see all settings. So follow all of the steps from this video. Make sure to follow around with me as I complete one step here, go out there and complete the same step, and then go back to this video. So by the end of this video, so once the video ends, you will be all ready and set up to start making money. If you don't complete the steps, this will obviously not work for you. You need to actually do the work. It's not gonna fall from the sky. Don't just watch the video and then complain in the comments like, hey, I didn't make any money. You didn't make any money because you didn't even try it. You didn't even follow the steps, and that's why it didn't obviously work for you. You need to actually do it. So anyways, once you come over to the settings bar, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and now here you will be able to see this vacation responder off. You want to turn that to vacation responder on, and what that means is whenever someone sends you an email to this particular Gmail account, they will receive an automatic message from you. Now don't worry, I'm gonna give you the exact message and exactly what you need to type in here, and I will show you exactly how that will make you money. So once you set up that, once you create a brand new Gmail account, you go to settings and you set the vacation responder to on. I then want you to come over to cpalead.com, and don't worry, this is not gonna be any basic stuff. You have never seen this strategy before and you're just going to love it. So even if you have seen CPA lead before, trust me, you have never seen this strategy ever before. And if you don't even know what CPA actually is, well, CPA stands for cost per action, which means that this CPA network will allow you to grab referral link for different CPA offers, and all you need to do is to send people to your referral link, and they don't need to buy anything, so you're not selling anything. They don't need to pay for anything, so they do not need to spend any money at all. They just need to sign up to some offer for absolutely free by entering their email address, and you will get paid for them signing up for absolutely free. And that's 1,000 times easier than if you were selling something. And that's why this strategy actually works so well, and that's why complete newbies are making money with this strategy. But you gotta stay tuned until the end of this video, so I will show you what you must avoid. There's one simple mistake that a lot of people make, and because of that, they're not being able to make any money. So if you really want to make this work, then stick with me until the end of the video. Anyways, your next step is to, once you come over to cpalead.com, you want to click here where it says sign up so you can create an absolutely free account. You can then sign up by connecting your Facebook account or Google, which is a lot easier because it requires just one click of a button. But if you don't have Facebook or Google, then just scroll a little bit down, enter your first name, last name, email address, password, create your security question. As you can see, you can select any of these security questions, type in the security answer, click I'm not a robot, and just submit information, and you will immediately be logged into your brand new account. Now once you log into your brand new account, this is how it's gonna look like. This is going to be the dashboard where you can track your earnings, and in case you're wondering how to actually withdraw your money, well, here on the left hand side you will just click on account, and you will go to payments and you will set up your payment details so they can send you automatic withdrawals. Anyways, you want to go here where it says offers. So your next step is to click here where it says offers, and that will take you over to this page where you can find thousands of different CPA offers which you can promote. And as you can see, they're gonna pay you very different amount of money. Some are gonna pay you less, some are gonna pay you more, but you can definitely test out and use multiple of these. Now I want you to find some offer that says like a $500 Visa gift card, or any kind of like giveaway, or anything related to making money online and anything related to money. For example, this one, this is a $500 Visa gift card giveaway, and we can become referrals for this. We can grab our referral link for this offer and we can send people to this giveaway, and they just need to sign up. They don't need to spend any money. They don't need to win the giveaway. We will still make, in this case, 93 cents just for them signing up for absolutely free. And that's like a million times easier, because I mean, they don't need to buy anything, but they have a chance to win a $500 with a gift card. So why not? A lot of people will end up signing up, and we will make 93 cents per each person, which may not seem like a lot, but if you do the math, if you get like 100 people, that's already $93. If you get 1,000 people, that's $930 just from one single offer. And then you have like loads of different offers, and new offers are coming in every single day, so you will never run out of offers to promote and money to make with this website. So definitely save this video and save this website, because this is going to be an outstanding way to make money online. Anyways, I will select this offer. So once you pick the offer, you just click on it. They will open up this page, and here you can immediately grab your link without having to wait around at all. So you don't have to wait to get approved or whatsoever. You can immediately just copy your referral link, and whenever someone clicks on this link, they will be sent to a page where they can sign up to a Visa gift card giveaway, and you will make 93 cents per person. Now with that link, I want you to go back to the email autoresponder. So go back to settings. Once you've clicked vacation responder on, I want you to type into subject as congratulations, and then the actual message will say, congratulations, you can win a $500 gift card by following the instructions below. Click here and then just paste your referral link. Now of course this will obviously change depending on the offer you choose. If you're promoting a $1,000 gift card, then just type in a $1,000 gift card. If you're promoting a $100 giveaway, then type in $100 giveaway. But I'm just using this one as an example, and then of course paste your own referral link here. And what this will do is whenever someone emails you on this email, they will receive this congratulations, you can win a $500 gift card, and they can click on this link. It's all automatic. You don't have to do any work. You don't have to send out any emails. It's all done for you. Now the Gmail will actually work for you. Now once you type in this message, you can just copy and paste this same message. I want you to click save changes. Once you save changes, I want you to go to the last platform, the main website that we will be using. They will actually get you traffic. They will actually get you targeted people to send you emails so they can receive this autoresponder. And that website is called Trendry.com. So this is already Trendry.com, and this is a make money online forum. People come here in search for different make money online offers. So you can see different topics like money making, get paid to websites, cryptocurrency, paid surveys, affiliate marketing, forex, business ideas, and so on and so forth. But we are promoting a money giveaway, so we can go to the section where it says money making. If I click on that, and that will show you that people are promoting their own offers, and as you can see, they are getting some nice amount of views. As you can see, this was posted just a couple of hours ago, and it already had 47 views, 154 views, 100 views, 178 views, 181 views, 200 views, and so on and so forth. And since there are new posts coming in like almost every single hour, it's proven that this actually works. People wouldn't be doing this again and again if it doesn't work, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to click here where it says new topic, so you can create your own post. Then enter a title. The title can actually be pretty much the same description from CPA Elite. I will grab this. As you can see, win a $500 Visa gift card. I will copy that and I will paste it here as a title, and then I will write a message. Now inside of the message, I want you to say something along the lines of, attention, 10 spots left for a $500 gift card giveaway. And this will actually create an urgency for them to take action fast. If you just type in, you can win a $500 gift card giveaway, go to this link, then less people will actually take action. But if you create a sense of urgency, you know, just 10 spots left, then a lot of them will take action fast. And then say, if you're interested, email us at, and then leave your email address right here. Just paste your email address. Now the reason you're not pasting your referral link immediately is because Trendry.com doesn't allow you to do that. They will ban you from the website if they see you promoting your own CPA links. So that's why we are saying, if you're interested, email us and then our email address. And then people interested in the giveaway will obviously email you, and the email autoresponder will do the work for you, so you don't even have to bother responding to them manually. So this is a system that consistently makes a lot of people money, and it works really well. So once you type in something like this, you will just click post, and that will look something like this. As you can see, the title, win a $500 with a gift card, attention, 10 spots left, and they can email you right here. Now of course you will not get immediately like 1,000 different signups, but if you keep doing this, you keep repeating this same thing again and again, and you try out different offers from CPA Elite, and you try out different call to actions, you play around with different call to actions, then you stand a good chance of making some decent amount of money again and again. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.